Judith Duncan. I'm a swimwear designer from Jamaica, and I'm here in Florida doing a photo shoot with some really sexy girls from Driven Models. The original idea when I just started designing was to cover the flaws, cover a woman's flaws and still let her look sexy. But some of them still does that, but you have others which are more sexier cut for the ones who like to show a little bit more skin. But they're all pretty unique as far as, because I really don't like the simple stuff, and you have a lot of simple things on the market, so I go for a little more edgy, sexy kind of thing. What inspires my line? It's no one thing. I basically draw my ideas from any and everywhere. I might be lying down and looking at the stars or the cloud and see some formation and just get a pencil and start sketching. Or it might be sometimes my kids who might come and say, "Mommy, look at this, make this for me," and I'll do some modifications and it works. Or just looking at a lady's body, or sometimes I draw just like the outlay and do some little scribbly thing until something makes sense. What is unique about my line is I really don't see anything else like this so far. I mean, they're mainly full pieces, but they're all sexy. It's one piece. You don't have to have on a two-piece to show a little skin. So the one piece, my line can be purchased in Jamaica. I'm looking at a location here, so if you have one and you're interested, call me. Or call Driven and then they'll call me. The sky's the limit. I don't really have any limitations. I'm open, I'm willing, I'm able to, you know, do any and everything.